Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Students, how are you? Students, today our topic is cost accounting, in which we have a chapter financial statement, in which we have a problem about this chapter, which is in front of you in your screen. Students, let's start this question. First we read this question carefully, and after that we try to solve this question in front of you on screen. Students, this is the problem number 5.4, which is taken the book of Professor Serafzals. Let's start this problem to read carefully. Dear students, in this question, the actual factor overhead is given, and as well as the factor overhead applied rate is also given. Then we have to differentiate between both the factory overhead and to know what is the amount which is we have to take the difference between actual and applied factory overhead, like as underapplied or overapplied. Students, let's start. Adjustment factory overhead variance. The following information has been extracted from the books and records of Al Malak Industry, Lahore. Materials purchase is the amount of 2,50,000 rupees. Total payroll mean all the factories payroll, like as factory payroll, admin payroll, and the selling payroll. This is the total payroll, 1,20,000 rupees, but in which direct labor cost, which is belong to the factory cost, 95,000 rupees. Now factory overhead office salaries, which is the indirect cost, 10,000 rupees, heat and light cost, 7,000 rupees, insurance, fire and other 7,000 rupees. Power cost is 5,000 rupees, same as indirect material purchased and used, 8,000 rupees. So on, all these the expenses which are belong to the indirect cost, which is belong to the actual factory overhead. Now students, employer power provident fund contribution for factory 90% as a factory cost, 6% as a selling, and 4% as an admin cost. This is a provident fund which is distributed among the factory, selling and administrative sector. Now miscellaneous expenses 1,400 rupees, and total expenses is the 1,500 rupees. Now student, here we have a inventories, like as material opening and closing, same as working process, opening and closing, and finished goods inventory, opening and closing. Now requirement is that from the foregoing information prepare the cost of goods manufactured and source statement. On the statement, the cost of normal should be indicated with adjustment of over applied overhead. Now students, let's start. Firstly, we have to find out the amount of the total actual factory overhead. Now we move the other slide. Here is the performer about the calculation of under over applied factory overhead. Student, let's start. Firstly, we find out the actual factory overhead, which is given in question. Factory office salary is 10,000 rupees. Same as heat and light cost, 7,000 rupees, and power cost is 5,000 rupees. Same as insurance, fire and other, 2,000 rupees. Indirect material purchased and used, 8,000 rupees. 8,000 rupees is the indirect material purchased and used. Superintendent's expenses, which is the amount of 4,000 rupees. Now the depreciation building is 1,000 rupees. Depreciation of equipment, 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees. Same as factory taxes, 2,000 rupees. This is the indirect expense. Employer's contribution to provident fund, 90% of factory of rupees. We have to put here 12,600 rupees is the provident fund as a factory labor. Now students, total expenses is 1,500 rupees. 1,500 rupees are total expenses. Same as miscellaneous factory overhead cost is 1,400 rupees. Student, this is the total actual factory overhead cost. Now we have to add all this amount in this column at the rate sum of this is the amount of 57,500 rupees. Now factory over applied rate is 50% of dead labor cost. The dead labor cost in the given question is 95,000 rupees. Now we have to take the 50% of 95,000 rupees. Then this is the amount. This is the amount is 95,000 rupees multiplied by 50%. This is the 47,500 rupees the factory overhead applied. Factory overhead applied. 47,500 is the factory overhead applied. Students, you are looking the actual factory overhead is greater than the applied factory overhead. The difference is 10,000 rupees. We can say that this is the under applied factory overhead because we have applied in our cost as a 47,500 rupees as a factory overhead applied, but actually the total actual factory overhead cost is 57,000 rupees. So this is the underapplied factory overhead. Then we have to charge the remaining balance as a 10,000 rupees in the cost of goods sold. Now the difference is ₹10,000 is the underapplied factory overhead, which we have to charge at the end of the cost of goods sold, cost of goods manufactured and sold statement. Now we move the main statement, which is our requirement, cost of goods manufactured and sold statement. Then students, we move other slide here. Al Malak Industry Lahore is the company name, industry name. The main title is cost of goods manufactured and sold statement for the month of ended 31st December, so on. Now students, firstly we have to write the raw materials inventory. Firstly, the opening raw material inventory is given, which is amount is 12,000 rupees. Now material purchase during the period is 2,50,000 rupees. Now students, we have to add up both the values here. So this is the 2,62,000 rupees is the ₹2,62,000 rupees is the direct raw material available for sale. Students, direct raw material available for use is the 2,62,000 rupees. Now we deduct here closing raw material inventory, which is the amount 8,000 rupees. The final amount is material used in material consumed in production. This is the 2,54,000 rupees. This is the direct material consumed in production. Now our direct labor cost is 95,000 rupees. 95,000 rupees is the direct labor cost. Factory overhead applied is the 50% of direct labor cost, which is the amount 95,000 rupees. Dear students, 50% mean half of the amount. 95,000 rupees divided by 2. This is 47,500 rupees here, 500 rupees here. Now we add the three values like as direct raw material consumed, direct labor cost and factory overhead cost. Then we take the total current manufacturing cost. Total current manufacturing cost is the 3,96,500 rupees. Now opening working process is the amount 25,000 rupees. We have to write here and add above amount. So this is the 4,21,500 rupees the total cost to be accounted for. Now we deduct here as a closing working process inventory, which is the amount is 36,000 rupees. Now students, we deduct this amount with above amount. Students, 3,85,500 rupees the cost of goods manufactured. Cost of goods manufactured. Now we add in this amount as a opening goods inventory, which is the amount is 36,000 rupees. Now we add here. This is the 4,21,500 rupees. Now we deduct here as a closing inventory, which is the amount is 40,000 rupees. Now we find the cost of goods sold at normal form. At normal form, the amount is 3,81,500 rupees. Now, students, we have found out the underapplied factory overhead in other slide, which is the amount is 10,000 rupees. Now we have to add here because this is the underapplied factory overhead cost, which is more push in the production, 10,000 rupees. This is the underapplied factory overhead cost. Now the final amount cost of goods sold at actual is, yes students, this is our final requirement, 3,95,500 rupees is the cost of goods sold at actual. Student, this is the problem which we have found out here. Students, if you understand about this problem clearly, and if you have any queries, please comment me on my channel so I can improve our work. Students, now subscribe my channel and like my channel if you understand for this problem.